top and the bottom were easy to pull. So both this goes just zip around the corner. Do we have to go all the way around the other side? Okay. We will when we get it all done. So we have to do a 180 with it now. So this is the door. So it's just like that. Okay. So just like that, it's done. And then if you need to let some air out, you do this. Pretty cool. And this is our new steam sauna. It took about, I don't know, 25 minutes to put it up, 30 minutes with 2 people. One person could do it easily. And then we'll show you, we'll hook up the little steamers and show you how they hook up. Okay. So hang out for a second, we're going to pause. So on this sauna, there's an infrared light. It goes in from up here.
Okay.
Turn it sideways. Because this thing is pretty light. So the light goes in right here.
Okay.
So I'll go do that right now. I'll put the light in here. It just goes in
It's
here.
like a little pocket there, huh?
Yep,
For
it's
light.
got a little pocket for the light.
That light. Okay, let's stand this up. And I just put the flooring. There's the flooring here. Keep the
So
sweat.
the claim is that that's a near infrared light.
And we got infrared light.
It could be by the looks
We
of
need
it.
to
I
put
mean,
the
we have a
steamer
near
in a chair
infrared
and
light.
we're all gonna be done.
It looks about the same. So.
Right? We just need a steamer in this chair.
Yep, that's it.
And good for 2 people. Okay, just put the chair up there. And here's our steamer. We
So
got
these
2.
are the steamers. It comes with 2 steamers. And I think they all come with 2.
Is that steamer
This is
needs
a
to-
double. This is a 2-person sauna. I think the 1-person saunas come with 2 steamers also though. That's on, that's off. So these are the steam vents. And then here's the pipes for your, I guess this would be for your outside maybe. For your outlet. Well, I guess you could use either one for the outside and either one for the inside. Depends on how close you want your water to be.
Yeah, you need to be hooked on this steam. Yeah, will come in here. The steam will come out here.
And then this is the inside piece. It's pretty cool actually. I mean, it's for the price you pay. And then we have an extra piece here. That one came installed, so they gave us extra. So if we need it, I think we'll just keep these inside the unit so they don't get, otherwise they'll get lost for sure. And each one has a remote, so make sure you don't lose your remote. It's got a little battery saver there, so let's see if this one works. Yep. And you can set your time and plus minus and stuff.
Okay.
And it's stainless steel on the inside, so that's pretty cool. Oh, that's not a very long cord, that barely reaches. And they said you should use 2 different outlets, so I'm assuming if you use an extension cord, you don't want just like a little light duty extension cord. You're going to need at least a medium duty extension cord, which that's up to you, but what you use in your life. And then I think these go, they just go like this. You plug this in like this. So then this is where your steam comes out, and you just put like this, and the top comes off, and like, so if you're going to use essential oils or whatever, I guess they give you a separate tray to put the essential oils in. I don't actually know how that's going to work though. Okay, so here's our finished product. So this is for the infrared light. It comes from the top and it's got a really long cord, so that's really nice. Plugs in here. This is our one steamer. And I recommend the steamers use distilled water so you don't get all kinds of crud buildup. Otherwise you'll have to clean them out all the time. Like for where we are, it's really alkaline, so we'll get that white salt, alkaline salt. So we're going to use distilled water. And then they have two nice pockets on the outside. It's got a plastic window that's really nice for venting if you get too hot, which I don't know. We'll have to show you that part. We're not going to use it because it's kind of late at night. On the inside, you have your outlet for your steamer, and then you have your outlet for your other steamer. And then you have these two little tiny chairs, and a lot of people complained in the reviews about this thing being small, but you could easily put two full-size chairs like this in here, and two people, or even a small bench, and people could sit comfortably. If you want, you could put a drop of an essential oil into your steamer, or some menthol crystals, which is what we're going to use. And then the inside also has a pocket in it, and has two pockets, so we're keeping our spare stuff in one of the pockets. And the zipper works really nice. And then on the other side you have your second steamer right there. And then this thing is light enough that in the summertime you could actually move it outside if you wanted to, which is what we're going to do, because we actually have a dry sauna coming, a wooden dry sauna. We're going to put the steam sauna when our dry sauna comes, which is a wooden dry sauna. We're going to put the steam sauna right here, and the wooden sauna is going to go over there. And in the summertime, this is light enough that two people, you could actually just pick it up and move it out on your deck, which is what we're going to do in the summertime. So it looks like a pretty good unit. We just need to try it out, and we'll let you know how it works when we try it out. Thank you.